Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have a Roomba and your kids turn it on, or your dog sticks his nose on the button and ends up turning it on or something like that. From the app you can actually lock your Roomba so that it can't be turned on from the actual Roomba. It can only be turned on from the app. And this is quite simple to do. So we're going to open our Roomba app, and this is the home page, and we're going to scroll down to product settings. We'll click on product settings, and you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4 down. We have the child or the pet lock. Right now it's disabled. I don't have this issue. But you can then just toggle this to on. See, mine is off right now. It's grayed out on the top right here. So if I just hit this, I'll toggle it on. And you actually probably in the background heard a little bling from the Roomba. And so that means that we know that the actual Roomba received this signal. I'm going to leave it on, and you should hear it update. You should hear the Roomba ding as well when it goes off. So when you hear that little sound, you know that the app has communicated to the Roomba and that it's working. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.